Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm actually putting outfits together because tomorrow I'm taking my new headshots. So I'm super excited and I have to put some looks together in outfits that will make it look different than my previous headshots. So today I'm gonna try the new outfits that I picked up from the mall. I do have a list of things that I'm trying to portray with the headshots. So I'm gonna try my best to put things together that will make sense. So I'm going to show you what I got. I did get my hair done this past week, last Wednesday. So my roots are fresh. My color's looking good. So tomorrow my appointment is at 1 o'clock and in the morning I'm gonna shower and I'm going to actually blow dry my hair, and then I need to go without makeup. The only thing that sucks is that I got this pimple right here and I'm like, no, and I picked on it because I wasn't sure what it was. I felt it and I went like this and gluck. Yeah, I picked on it. So nothing that makeup can't cover. I actually paid a package with a makeup artist included, so she's gonna do my makeup. And I like the way they do it because they do it in a form that is so different than what you do your own. Usually it has to be very natural. Maybe they oomph it up a little bit for certain looks. And I think if I do my makeup, I would do things a little too much maybe. I mean, I'm not a person to put a lot of makeup anymore, but I've been happy with the way they have done my makeup before. So I trust what they're doing. The cool thing about this photographer, he has a session that is a 2-hour session and you can have unlimited looks. So as long as, you get ready and stuff in time, you can get as many looks as you can. So I'm trying to fit all of these on. My first time I went to him, I actually got like about 8 looks, which was amazing, but I went prepared. So definitely you gotta go prepared. So I'm actually doing the same type of looks, but a little more upgraded this time. And also because that was done 2 years ago, I feel that my hair looks a little different and that actually my face is starting to look a little different, especially because I lost weight. And I just wanted something more refreshed. So the looks I'm going for is detective, mom, teacher, romantic, commercial, attorney, girl next door, best friend, drama, and a Latina look. And here I'm gonna show you the ones I actually took with him. And I think they were great. So I'm actually really happy to work with him again. And his name is ChrisJon. And I will leave all his information in the description box down below in case you're interested for new headshots or in case you're beginning your career in acting or you're looking into getting into acting. All right, so this is how I'm gonna try my stuff on because usually headshots are from the chest up, so you won't see the pants. Usually you're posing like this or like this or like this. No, not really, but definitely from the chest up. All right, so I'm gonna bring the bag. I'm hungry. And I also have a few things that actually I wanted to wear for this session. So I'm gonna take those out. Okay, so my first look was detective. So I'm going to put a jacket and a blouse and see how that looks. And I actually chose this blouse here, dark gray, and my black blazer on top. So hopefully that looks like a detective. I don't know if I would put it like this. And I could also put my hair up or back to make it look more like a detective. I'm gonna actually steam my shirts, but I wanna actually have this open up to here because I don't think I have a long neck, so kind of having it a little more open will elongate my neck. So that's what I'm trying to do. Agent Flores, at your service. Let's move out. All right, I think I like this for an agent look. All right, now I'm gonna put a check on that because I think we nailed it. All right, now we're gonna go for the mom look. All right, so for this one, I got this bodysuit and I have two actually. I have this one here. This one is pretty big and this is a medium, but I could actually wear it like this and just clip it to kind of give me a little more shape. I like the color. I think it complements my skin, my hair, so I kind of want to use it for the mom look. Who wants to play checkers? Sweetie, you did so good. And I also got this other flannel. I mean, I like it, but I feel like the other one is much better for what I'm trying to convey. This is the last picture I took as a mom. And it had a green flannel, so I think the blue one will be better. It's not something that I really want to keep because it is really big, but I mean, it's pretty cute for the picture. Let me tell you a little tip. You could actually go buy all the clothes that you need for your photo shoot and you don't need to keep them. You could actually put them on for the shoot. Just be careful with them, take care of them, don't damage them, and then return them. That way you actually don't have to spend money on clothes. Unless you actually decide to keep them, then yeah. But for the shoot, I don't think you need to. So, I mean, these are things that are very basic for me, so I'm gonna keep some of them, but definitely these flannels are not. But what I'm keeping is the bodysuits because I just love how they fit. I didn't clip them, so I got it in white and I also got it in beige. I thought it was cool. And the hair and stuff, it looks really good. Okay, next I'm looking for a teacher outfit. A teacher. Let me see. Actually, I was thinking about this one right here because I had it for a while. I just haven't used it. I was gonna use it in my last headshots, but I didn't ended up using it. So I really like it and it fits so much better now. It's kind of loose, but I feel as a teacher, like with my Apple, class is in session. Okay, next, romantic. Unfortunately, I don't have anything for romantic, so I might actually have to go later today to the store to get something. I thought about something, maybe like a blouse that was flowy or has some like ruffles, something that's gonna make me look softer, but I'm gonna see if the stores are gonna be open because today's Sunday, it's already 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look for that, but otherwise, I don't have anything for romantic right now. I mean, let me see. No, this one screams like ice cream parlor. So no. And I don't want to wear black because for something romantic, it has to be a little more soft. You know, soft colors. I was thinking maybe like a baby blue or maybe like a burgundy. I do have a burgundy, but I feel that it's a little too dark. I'm gonna try this on, but I mean, it is a square top also, so I don't know how romantic that is. This one actually makes me believe maybe the best friend, girl next door. So I'm definitely gonna try it still. All right, so this is also a bodysuit, but I think this could work for a girl next door. Like, you know, yeah, definitely for girl next door. And I love this color. I'm your neighbor. I live next door. I was just wondering if you guys could keep it down at nighttime because it sounds like animals killing each other. All right, so next. So I got, all right, romantic I don't have. I do have girl next door. Commercial. Commercial have a polo for it. So this is my last picture for a commercial. And this pretty much looks the same, except that I'm gonna have a different color shirt and I like this color better. And I'm gonna be smiling. These are gonna be commercial headshots. I'm gonna have 2. One with this polo, which represents customer service, and I think one with this one here, which represents everyday, just a lifestyle photo. And in both these pictures, I'm gonna be smiling because in commercial headshots, you need to smile. Welcome. Do you need any help? And this is the other one, which I'm gonna be like, just smiling and being and having fun with friends and, you know, that kind of stuff. Who wants shots? Best friend. Actually, the best friend, I got a hoodie and I feel like it's a little more like, it could be kind of sporty. It could be kind of like casual. So I'm gonna do this hoodie right here. I don't know, it's between this one, this hoodie, or this one right here, the brown one. I like the brown one a lot, but I'm also doing the brown faux leather jacket. That's gonna be actually my more dramatic look. They call it theatrical. So almost all these looks are gonna be theatricals, and the 2 that I showed you before, which is this one and this one, are the commercials. All right, so I put the beige bodysuit inside, and I'm going to put this hoodie on, see how that looks. And I like this, how this looks, but I feel like it does get lost. Maybe if my hair was up, just, you know. Let me try the other one. Maybe this one actually is a better call because it makes my hair stand out. This here has a little more of a texture. So yeah, I think I like this one better actually. Yeah, this would be like the sporty one and the best friend. This is high school all over again. All right, so let's see what's next. Best friend is done. Drama. Drama is gonna be the leather jacket. All right, so I had to change my battery because it was dying, but I did change to this top here, and this is the jacket on top. So I think it looks great. Could actually zip it up and make it look a little more fitted, but most likely I'm gonna use it open like this. Be like a badass look, or like a drama. We will win. You won't see it coming. Now I'm gonna do the Latina one, and my Latina one is just gonna be a nice red blouse, and I'm gonna wear my hoop earrings. Okay, so this blouse is gonna be my Latina look. This is enough the shoulders, so I'm gonna have to wear strapless for this. Yeah, and I like the sleeves, and I feel like, you know, either I'm gonna clip something here and have my hoops showing, and that will give me my Latina look. Yo perreo sola. So how about this for an attorney look? This is like a black blouse. Maybe I could put like a pearl necklace. I don't think attorneys wear pearl necklaces anymore. Or maybe if I pull my hair up. I mean, this is not how it's gonna go. Obviously, they're gonna make it look nicer. Yeah, maybe it could be like this. Maybe I put like a nice necklace, like stud earrings to make it look like an attorney. Objection, Your Honor. On what grounds does... Or maybe I could wear the black jacket, but then that would look so much like the other detective. We'll see. Maybe it'll just blend in. Looks good, but I don't know. So maybe I'm not gonna use the jacket at all, and maybe just put a necklace, make it look like an attorney or an office worker. You know, someone like a boss, like a boss babe. Give me a cup of coffee. All right, so now I'm gonna head out to the stores and see what I can find for the romantic look. So this is number one. I think it's cute. I love the sleeve, and I think these ruffles right here kind of give it like a romantic look. All right, and this is the other one. And although I like the sleeve a lot, I think this color washes me out a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I mean, I like the sleeves. They are very soft, but yeah, I'm not sure. Nothing pops out too much. I'm not feeling it too much. But I'm still gonna take it and gonna see if I end up using it or not. So now I'm just gonna go get ready for bed and have a good night's sleep. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. That's gonna give me a good night's sleep, which I need for tomorrow's shoot. Hi, so I'm home. Actually, I've been home for a few hours. I came home, made food, we had dinner, and I put all my stuff away, sorted things out, things I'm gonna keep, things I'm not gonna keep. I'm just exhausted. So I'm with my PJs. This is my favorite PJs, and it's a sleepy bear. And my husband always bothers me. Every time he sees me in this PJs, he's like, oh, there she goes, just about to go to sleep. So I had such a great time in the shoot. It was awesome. I did as many looks as I could. Actually, I ended up doing all of them, which was great. And the coolest thing is that this is one of my favorite photographers, and the first time that I worked with him, I actually wanted this particular makeup artist, but she couldn't make it, like she was not available. So another makeup artist took care of me, which she did an amazing job. So this time I didn't expect anything, so I was like, whoever does my makeup is gonna be great. So it's so cool. So I just went, and it ended up being her doing my makeup, and I was so excited because I love her work. I'll leave her information in the description box down below, but she is amazing and she works with my photographer, and it was such a great session, you know, and my photographer is the best. I love him. He does such good work. So if you are in the LA area, look him up, look at his work. He does amazing work. So now I'm just gonna go brush my teeth, take off my makeup, and go to bed because I am exhausted. So I wanted to add a little more information about women's headshots, or the experience I've had, especially about skincare. So I didn't do anything crazy. The only thing that I did was wash my face and, you know, just make sure I moisturized really well the night before, and I had a really good night's sleep. And I think that helped a lot, you know, comparing to the last time I had my headshots done. Because I think the first time I was really nervous. I couldn't sleep because, you know, I was anxious. But this time, actually, I was very comfortable. And I think that just comes with experience, you know. This is probably the third time I'm actually getting headshots. Second time with the same photographer. The last time I did it with a new one. And he was really good. But I feel that with ChrisJon, I actually get more for my money, and I don't know, I just had a very cool experience. I'm getting sidetracked. The best thing I think overall that you can do is have a good skincare the night before, the day off, and drink tons of water to bring that hydration back to your skin. I think that will give you the best results in your skin. I did have a pimple here, but actually she was able to cover it, so that's pretty cool. And don't freak out if you have pimples or spots and things like that, because those could be Photoshop real quick. Especially if there are things that are not usually there, right? Like this thing on my nose. Obviously, I'm gonna have it Photoshop if it shows up in the picture. So recapping, definitely would say that good night's sleep, good skincare, hydration, and just have fun. Oh, and if you're gonna do your hair, let's say your roots and stuff like that, I would suggest doing it 3 to 5 days ahead of your shoot in case you have some stain or in case, you know, the color is not working out well. You never know. And also if you have a haircut, yeah, I would do it a week before, just so you could warm up to your new haircut and see how you really like it, how it falls, how it's easier for you to do it. For example, I didn't have my haircut last week. I only did, you know, touch up. My haircut, I had it done a month ahead because I kind of wanted it to grow out. I didn't want just a brand new fresh haircut and then I don't know how to recreate it again, you know? So I kind of let it grow out and I was just, you know, I just went with the look that I've been doing ever since, which is a more natural state instead of just having something completely new and I might not like later on, or I might not be able to replicate it. I actually did my nails this morning. I put a little bit of polish because they were bare and I just kept it natural in case I had to cross my arms and show my fingers, and I just kept it natural because it will go with any of the outfits instead of me putting like a dark color and I will have dark nails for every kind of outfit. And that's it. I think that's all the tips I have as far as your headshots. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since the day of my photo shoot, and he was able to upload all the pictures the next day. So I was able to get this photo album and start choosing from there. So I took my time to choose which ones I wanted and submitted the ones that I wanted to be retouched and finished for the final product. So I'm gonna show you that. But first I'm gonna show you all the pictures that I got. So, okay, starting with this look, what we spoke about was that this was the lawyer boss look. And then we went into the neighbor kind of like sporty look. And this one is the customer service look. And we did a few funny takes here and there. It was just hilarious. And we also put some glasses, I believe, right here. And then we went into the mom look. And I really love how they came out. And then we went into the romantic drama look. It was just so much fun. I really love how this color came out. So cute. It's like a light blue. It's just with the makeup and all, it looks so good. I really like that. Then we went into the teacher, a little drama look. Here I put some glasses. It was just funny. And then we went into the detective look. After that, I went into the cool theatrical leather look. Into the next door neighbor, you know, girl next door look with the orange top, which I think it looks great. And then I went into the more dramatic, you know, fun Latina and also serious look. Okay, so how much I paid for it? Let me show you on his website. So if we go under prices, these are the packages he offers. And there's the one look session, mini session, standard session, and share session. So this is the one I chose, which is a 2-hour unlimited look session, and it gives you 8 to 9 looks, which for me gave me about 10. And here, this includes 6 retouch shots of your choosing. So I ended up choosing 10, so I had to pay additional for the other 4. And I also added the 2-hour hair and makeup, which I strongly suggest. It makes it easier, especially if you have different looks you want to go for. I highly recommend getting the hair and makeup session. So if we do the math, I pay for the session $375 plus the makeup, plus I ended up paying $15 for each additional picture that was not included, which was $60. It came out to $635, the whole thing. And that is a great price for headshots, because I've seen photographers charge that for just 2 to 3 looks. So getting 10 for $635 that is a steal. So what helps a lot, it is planning, you know, planning ahead, the looks that you need, the looks that you want. And I'm happy with the results. I got great pictures and I can't wait to start using them. So this is it. I really love my headshots and I'm really looking forward to see the opportunities that they can bring me and also into getting an agent. I will definitely keep you posted on that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.